G'day folks, welcome back to Pete's Investing, looking at silver, the commodity price, but also some ETFs and shares, including iShares Silver Trust SLV and First Majestic Silver Corp AG. There's also note there is a divergence to look out for, and they've been hit, but overall there are bearish trends. So first off, looking at the commodity price for silver, you've got the weekly, daily and hourly. First off, on the weekly, you'll notice we're still in a downtrend with our CCI 400. It's broken below its moving average, so still somewhat bearish to neutral. The CCI 150, our divergence indicator, is pretty flat and trending in line with the price, so there's no divergence to talk of there. There was a bearish divergence back here, you can see there, versus new higher highs on the price and lower highs on the CCI, and it eventually did fall off, and that would have hit our target somewhere around this 50 to 61% level. On the daily chart, notice we're still in a downtrend on our 400, CCI 400, our trend indicator. The CCI 150 is also declining in line with the price, no divergence to talk of. And on the hourly, we did draw this bullish divergence back here versus lower lows on the price there. Now the price came close to our target area, but it fell off, and we've had to readjust that. As long as this CCI remains higher than that point, that's still a bullish divergence. So sometimes this happens. It can be a false break, and we would have just extended that to that point there, so that would have been still a valid bullish divergence. And in terms of the Fibonacci retracement, that would have been drawn down to there, and that then target area would have been drawn there as well, reaching the 23 to the 38%. So even though it fell off, it eventually hit our target. In fact, it went as high as the 50% level. It's currently resting around the 50% level as we speak. So that divergence has been hit on the commodity price. Next, we look at iShares Silver Trust SLV. And this is showing up on the weekly. You can see there it's broken to the downside. The CCI 150 is also broken to the downside. Now you'll notice there's some key support and resistance lines, but also some minor support resistance lines, and it's been stuck in that range for some time. It did break below that minor support, but it's given us a bullish candle on the weekly there as well. So just still stubbornly in that range. On the daily, that's also broken below its moving average, so somewhat bearish at the moment. And on the hourly, we've got a bullish movement on the CCI 400. And that has also been a somewhat bullish divergence on the CCI 150, almost a double bottom, if you like, on the CCI 150 versus a bearish divergence. If I just draw that, down there, you can see a bearish divergence, and if we had to draw that Fibonacci down to that point and move that target area down to there as well, you can see there it's actually hit our target. So that's how you play these divergence. So sometimes they're giving us false breaks, other times they continue down like they have done so far in the silver pricing. And lastly, the First Majestic Silver Corp, it's AG. This is giving us a pretty strong bearish signal. It's coming down and hitting this support line, giving us a double bottom on the weekly. On the daily, likewise, it's broken below its moving averages, and there is no divergence on the daily. There was a bullish divergence back here that strongly bounced, and that would have hit our target well beyond the 100% level. If you've drawn it to that point there, it's gone beyond 100%. Hit the resistance, and it's actually bounced down and almost giving us a double bottom. On the hourly, again, we had a couple of bearish divergence here. Prices fell down and collapsed in line with that divergence, and more recently we did have also a bullish divergence here as well, and that's come up and hit our target area there as well. So overall, some slight bullish divergence on all the pricing of those charts, but overall we're still in a pretty much a bearish outlook for silver. In terms of some trends and developments, just be aware of some drivers for driving demand, some industrial use, growing demand from electronics, solar panels and other industrial applications. Silver is considered a safe haven appeal, potential for increased investment interest as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. Be aware of supply factors. Global mine production remains steady, but geopolitical tensions in major producing countries still could disrupt those supply chains. Investment trends. ETF and institutional holdings of silver have seen some consolidation after significant inflows in 2023. Current considerations: be aware of volatility. While it's currently stable, silver prices can be volatile due to various economic geopolitical factors. Industrial demand growth will remain a key driver for long-term silver prices. Competition from alternatives. There's continued development of alternative materials. And investment sentiment. Shifts in investment sentiment towards precious metals can significantly impact silver prices. Here's some data sources for further research. You'd be interested in looking deeper into that. So again, overall, it's a bearish trend on silver. Just be aware of those minor divergences that are playing out, and some have been hit. So if you like the video, hit that like and subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.